Good evening. Well, I guess it's evening for me. My name is Bob Martins. I'm going to be the instructor for the self-study, section 401 of CIS 2087 in fall 2018. I just wanted to take a few minutes and kind of run through just a couple of things about the course and to highlight, I'm still going through making the edits, just a few ways that the course is going to be a little bit different this time around um, compared to in the past for students. So we're going to start I'll have an announcement out when I make the course available, and so you'll be seeing it by now. Um, First of all, start with the getting started. You'll have the syllabus. My contact information is underneath here. This is me. And then technical support if you have problems in the evenings. Then you have course overview, just some generic stuff. And the important thing for you to get started is the Zybooks instructions. So sign in. You should be able to sign in with your CSS G Suite account at learn.zybooks.com and then enter this code to get access to the textbook for this course. Go ahead and give that a shot. If you're having problems, let me know because I will make sure I get a hold of Zybooks and get you in there. There's some other introductory stuff here as well. So go ahead and look through that to get started. Otherwise, each week, basically, you're going to have a learning activity for each unit for all 16 weeks. Go ahead and read those learning strategies if you like. There is the unit objectives, the checklist, which includes for many of the weeks what the readings and exercises you are responsible for from Zybooks, along with some supplementary material, and then additional items below for this first week. This is probably going to change here, and you'll be able to read it. But I know about the discussions. The first discussion due dates will be changing. A note about the meetings: we're going to be using Zoom, so go to zoom.us and you can sign in again with a Google account with your CSS G Suite account. So we'll be using that for our video meetings. We'll have one this first week coming up here. Shoot me a text or an email or something with what night would work best for you. Anytime really after 8 p.m. Central works well for me, but I'm flexible with that as well. We're just going to go over the first unit lab, and you have that below down here. We'll be using BlueJ probably to start, and then moving to NetBeans. And in both cases, whenever you submit materials, make sure you are exporting the entire project. Both in BlueJ and in NetBeans, I also want to have tests that I can run in each one, so don't delete the test once you've actually done the work, so that I can make sure you're getting the right stuff and make sure everything's hooked up correctly. So if you have any questions about submissions, just let me know. The big thing that might change is how we handle discussions. Usually they use discussion forums, which have a student lounge. Again, a lot of this stuff is made for classes that have more students in them, but since it's just you, we were going to try something different. I have added two links on the sides here besides course grades. Hangouts chat room, which uses Google Hangouts chat, and if I click on that, it's going to take me to you can see chat.google.com, and then this Hangouts chat room. Again, sign in with your CSS G Suite account and log in and see if you can add yourself to this group. If you can't, email me and let me know because I'll add you then. I want to see how that works. Some of the CSS instructors, we are seeing how that works. The other part is this Zoom office. That's my personal meeting room, and since it's just you, and I'm not going to schedule a time. Whenever we have a video conference of any sort, you can just hop into that. That's where I'll be waiting for you. And so that's what we'll use. We'll use Zoom and Hangouts chat for any questions you have. I would like to see if we can use Hangouts chat, including the discussion entries. And I'm going to take a look at moving some of these discussions that we have to Hangouts chat, where we can go back and forth a little bit more easily than posting in the forum. If you are uncomfortable with that or have a problem, let me know. We can be super flexible with that. The expectations is just like a normal 16-week course. Get your material in to me by the end of the week on Sunday at 11:59. I'll get correcting to you as soon as I can. If you have questions, Hangouts chat is going to work really well as soon as we get in there. Otherwise, email works just as well too. If you have specific issues, again, get them to me. We're just going to kind of go with the general outline of the course. Things that require pair programming are not going to be required pair programming for you. There is a chance that I will add a little bit of an assignment for you just to write about pair programming and what you've read, and also your personal feelings and what you think. But that'll be later on in the course as well. So take a look at the learning activities. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, looking forward to the next 16 weeks, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.